Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to write some VBA code for a macro that will enable you to automatically put hyperlinks to all of your tabs on the one page. So imagine as an example that you're working on some financial reports, some consolidated reports. You've got various units within the company that you're reporting on, or you might even be a group of companies under the one business structure, and you want to hyperlink to your various tabs to make it easier for whoever's working on it or even whoever's reviewing it. So here's how you can write a macro that will enable you to do that quickly and easily, rather than taking time to individually insert the hyperlink to every single tab. So I'll go to Developer, VBA Editor, insert the module. We'll call it List Sheets with Hyperlinks. Okay, and the first thing we want to do here is define the dimensions that we're going to use. In this case, there are two dimensions that we need to define, and that is the worksheets and the integers. So the dimension ws as worksheet, and the dimension x as the integer. Okay, and x will equal 1. The purpose of that is so that when the macro runs, it goes from one tab to the next one at a time. So this is defining the worksheet and the column that we want to use to put the hyperlinks on. And it'll clear anything that was there previously. Okay, so for each worksheet in Worksheets, okay, so the cells at x equals 1, it's going to select them and list them down one cell at a time. And this is to add the hyperlinks into that space. Now we'll use an anchor function. Okay, that's grabbing all the selections that we're interested in. Okay, I'll use the name function here. So this is basically all the worksheets names are going to be displayed as a text hyperlink or text format as a hyperlink in cell A1 on on sheet 1 in column AA. And now we'll put in a loop just to make sure it doesn't stop at the first tab, to make sure it runs through all the worksheets. So for x equals x plus 1, it's basically saying it's going to continually equal itself plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 to infinity until it gets to the end. Okay, this looks about right. Let's add some extra tabs in here. Okay, now let's run this macro and see what happens. Okay, great. Except you probably won't be hyperlinking to your active sheet here. So say you've got a contents page or you're referencing. It'll list every single thing. All you need to do is run the macro once you've got the Visual Basic stuff entered. So I imagine you can find various different situations where this would be useful for you. Thanks for watching the video and have a good day.